Yes, I wanted to show you the voice recording feature of the mobile. Sometimes typing is so painful and finger pains, or sometimes we get irritated because of so much of typing with one finger. So I just wanted to demonstrate how to type with this particular feature of voice typing. So let me find out whom shall I type actually. So let me type to myself, and here it is. Here I am want to type something, so let me enable the voice typing. Yes, it's like that. Okay, let me see what it comes as a typing. Okay, so this is how I type to myself and I sent the message, and I can pause it now. And